Hey guys! In this video I will show you how to combine photos on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then please subscribe and like the video. Combining photos on an iPhone is simple. First of all, we need to go and make a shortcut. So open up the Shortcuts app, go to the top right and click on the plus. Now what you want to do is click on New Shortcut and you want to click on Rename, and you can name this combiner name what you want. Click on Search at the top and you need to type in Select Photos, like so. And you can select it. Click on the blue arrow to the right and make sure you click on Select Multiple. Now click on the search again and go and type in Combine Images, like so. And you can then go and choose how they're going to be combined. So if you click on horizontally, you've got a few options. I want it to be grid. Now you want to go and type in Save Photos, like so, Save to Photo Album. And then that's it. You can then click on the arrow in the top left. Now go and hold your finger on the shortcut and go and click on Details. You want to go and click on Add to Home Screen, and you can then click on Add in the top. Right now we have the shortcut here and you can click on it. Your photos will pop up and you can choose the images you want to go and combine. I'll select these and then click on Add in the top right. It will then go and run. And when I go and open up my photos, you'll go and see they've now been combined. It's that simple. If this video helps you out, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more tips.